Welcome back, everybody. I don't know what today is. The 6th month. April, May 6th. Coming into the road that I ride quite a bit, but I wanted to get this really quick. This is Hill Country, Texas. This is what it looks like. I dig it. It's super pretty through here. So we're heading to the river road. So when I get there, I will be back. I think we got it. Heart of Texas. Slow down, going too fast. It blinks the faster you go. For those who care. What does the old river look like? There's some turtles. Yeah, it looks like the river. Right? So whoo, got a little loose on that one. New to Texas, but it looks like where I'm at in the New Braunfels area, the drought down here has been going on for about 3 years, or at least that's how long it's taken Canyon Lake to drop below 50% full. I think we're at 47%, and it's done it in 3 years. So as you can see, it is not a sunny day like it normally is down here, and the road is damp. Here lately we have had some crazy, I would say for southern Texas, crazy rain. Nothing I haven't been through before, but it's funny listening to people talk about it. You know, and I think I'm gonna be that person. It's like, oh my goodness, it's raining in Texas. It's raining, oh my. But glad to see it. And it's not gonna stop me from riding. People that have watched the channel understand that. I bought my Spider to ride, and that's what I do. I don't care if it's raining, snowing, below freezing. As long as the roads are not wet and it's below freezing, I will be out on a ride. Boom, boom, boom. I should do that one day down here. Wait until it's cold. I kind of did. It was kind of cold. I threw my heated gear on and went for a ride, and I got some looks, but wait till it's, you know, 25 degrees out or something like that. Go for a ride and just blow these people's mind. Had a first time. I've had debris kicked up on me many times by vehicles, but I had a truck, a Land Cruiser, pull out almost in front of me, but not really like in front of me, but he could have waited 30 seconds, not even 30 seconds, waited the 10 seconds of that, and I would have went by, but they came out in front of me, and they had mud on their tires because it rained and threw it all over me and the spiders. So I wasn't too happy about that, but you know, it happens. First time mud being thrown at me. I've had gravel and other things kicked back at me, and it's no fun. Big semi trucks, and they're like running over the sand that gets on the road. Oh my goodness, it just feels like you're just getting pelted by a sandblaster. What a gorgeous picture that would have been. So let's talk about the Spider. I have 30,751 miles, so almost 31,000 miles on my 2020 Can-Am Spider. I bought it in 2021 as a leftover. I got one of those end of year $2,000-3,000 off. I got a decent deal on it, and I've been riding it except for last year. Last year was a pretty pathetic under 4,000 mile year. So that being said, I'm riding a lot more this year, and something that I noticed and I wanted to bring up on my next ride is at 30,000, 29,000, 30,000, whatever it is, you need to change that transmission filter on the right hand side. Now, when I went to get that filter, the shop I went to didn't know how to find it, and then when they did, it was not in stock, and I wasn't I wasn't feeling their vibes that it was what they said it was, and neither were they. Oh, a little brick wall up there. So I just went with Le Monster, and I got a filter. I don't know who makes it. Probably High Flow. I think that's their oil filters that they use. And I put factory oil in this, and I normally don't use BRP oil. Hey, it's moo cows. They're trying to get out right at the gate. Hey, what up? Good looking cow. Oh, here's another one. There it goes. It's running. It's running. It's like, I don't know what that thing is. So I went with BRP full synthetic oil, not their synthetic blend, but I got full synthetic oil. It was on crazy sale for like $117 for the oil change kit with full synthetic. I'm like, I might as well just grab that. And I will tell you, I don't know if it's the transmission filter or if it's the actual oil that I used. This thing has not, since I've owned it, shifted so quick and so smooth. Like, it is just dunk. You know, it's still not, I have the electronic shift, so it's not like a dual clutch on the Vet where it's just bang, bang, bang. You know, there's still a delay because it's not performance driven, but it is so much quicker, so much smoother. I'm just like, wow. So I don't know if it has to do with the filter change or the full synthetic oil, but definitely a big difference in how this thing shifts. What up there, big Ford? Pulling a smoker. So I wanted to let everybody know about that. Trying to get up here. I want to sit on this bridge a little bit. Do they have a you need to slow down? Oh, they do. It's going to flash at us. Oh, you're gonna die. Slow down. It'd be fun to take this road at speed. I would dig it. Let's just get over here. Yeah. What a gorgeous river. Fantastic. You see people fishing in there. They're getting some. You see people fishing all the time, but when I look down into the river, I don't see fish, and it's very clear. It's gorgeous. I'm pretty sure this comes out of Canyon Lake, and the water in Canyon Lake, it may be very low, but oh my goodness, it is so gorgeous. My wife and I spent a weekend. We rented an RV, travel trailer, pulled it behind the truck, went up there, and it was oh, we about took a chicken out. Woo, called Kentucky Fried Chicken. Dang, that was close. It wouldn't hurt me, but the plastic down there, I don't know what it done to my spider. Whee! Too funny. That chicken was like going. At first I didn't know what it was because it didn't look like a chicken. I thought it was a turkey, but I think it's just a chicken. And now I don't know what I was talking about. I got no clue what I was talking about. That's too funny. Talk about standing on the brakes. Oh, yeah, Canyon Lake. It is gorgeous. So, if you're in the area, definitely check it out. You can't put boat in the water anymore. It's just down way too low. I mean, it's below 50% full. I think last time I heard it's at 47%, which is just mind-boggling that gorgeous lake you know, I'm gonna rant, I guess, a little bit. You know, there's a lot of marinas around here, and I would, if I had a marina, I'd be really worried, and that's a lot of mud, because you can't put a boat in the lake anymore. A lot of the shops are closing down because there's no tourism, you know, because if you didn't have your boat already in the lake, you're not getting the boat in the lake anymore. So I'd be very concerned, and I'm shocked that the county that it's in, Comal, C-O-M-A-L, hasn't taken steps to help correct the levels. And I read an article not too long ago, and it basically stated that why it's losing so much of its water is through evaporation. It's been super dry down here, and the humidity levels have been really low. My wife said that it's normally more humid than what it was last year. So, you know, we're gonna see. I thought San Antonio area was, you know, in the desert, which means, you know, it's pretty dry. But you know, I haven't looked at rainfall levels or anything. I would like to say speed limit people, but they is going slow. And my phone did an update, and I lost my thingy here, so I got that working again. I really like this because I want to hit music, play. I want to find. It's all right here. It's big. I can see it with my eyeballs. Once it gets hot, we're gonna take it out and see if it overheats. You know, so I'm digging it. I'm digging it so far. So on that, I think I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna listen to some tunes, and I'm gonna look at the river. Are we almost at another? Oh, it's a little tiki. Tiki. I dig it. Yeah, I guess I'll let everybody go here. So if you could, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed the ramblings from a fat guy in New Braunfels, Texas. Stay safe. See you down the road.